Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you, as well as show you how to find a description in short videos on YouTube. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments. So, let's get started. And when you go to the YouTube short videos or shorts section, in order to select and find the description part, you have to either click on the three dots at the top and select the description, and you can easily read it. Or friends, here at the bottom under the channel name and above the music you can also click on the words and thus go to the description. These are two very simple and quick methods. Like this, friends, you will be able to find the description in short YouTube videos. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.